Dollar struggles to regain inflation-induced losses. Hong Kong, the euro and Japanese yen held onto most of their in a single-day profits on Thursday, having been boosted via U.S. inflation information coming in less hot than feared and sending the greenback tumbling. The European not unusual foreign money changed into trading at $1.0285, with its 0.14% loss at the day, although it got here after a 0.84% soar on Wednesday, its largest everyday percentage gain in view that mid-June. Similarly, $1 changed into worth 133 yen and 15 sen, up 0.2% on Thursday, after a 1.6% tumble the day gone by. The dollar plunged overnight after U.S. purchaser costs had been unchanged in July in comparison with June, when fees rose a monthly 1.3%. The July end result was decrease than expectancies due to a pointy drop inside the cost of petrol, causing markets to reposition on hopes that inflation become peaking. If price rises have reached their zenith, buyers expect the U.S. Federal Reserve will no longer ought to preserve its eye-wateringly steep pace of interest charge hikes, which had been assisting the greenback. Analysts at Standard Chartered mentioned the decline within the greenback seemed to be pushed through enhancements in investors' attitude to riskier assets except for the move against the yen, which they stated changed into greater of a yield play. The marvel downward inflation circulate takes out a good deal of the worry that the marketplace had of a 75 bits per second Fed hike or even intermeeting movements, they wrote in a Observe. We suspect that many buyers did now not need to put on positions ahead of an crucial range that would have long gone either way, so a number of the post-CPI movements likely reflect not on-time buying of risk-correlated positions. U.S. stocks and short-dated treasuries additionally rallied on the news, which driven the Nasdaq more than 20% above its June low and the 2-year Treasury yield down to 3.2141%, 7 basis points decrease than its preceding near. MKTS Glob U.S. Treasuries were not trading in Asia because of a holiday in Japan. Markets are currently pricing in a 57.5% hazard of a 50 foundation factor interest price rise at the Fed's subsequent assembly, in line with the CME's FedWatch device, although another 75 foundation point growth remains feasible. Fed coverage makers have been additionally caution in public feedback after the records that they could hold to tighten monetary policy till rate pressures have been fully damaged. The Australian dollar, another generally used proxy for threat sentiment, was at $0.7066, down 0.2% after a 1.7% overnight benefit, and sterling was barely softer at $1.2192. Bitcoin, which has also traded in line with hazard property, became up 2.6% at $24,577. A smash past $24,676 could be a month high for the world's largest cryptocurrency. equals 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 currency bid prices at 0523 GMT description Rick last US close PCT change YTD PCT high bid low bid previous change session Euro dollar $1.0277 $1.0299 0.21% 9.60% plus 1.0303 plus $1.0277 yen 133.1550 132. 0.8900 plus 0.22% plus 15.79% plus 133.3000 plus 132.7500 Euro, Yen 136.85 136.88 0.02% plus 5.01% plus 137.0800 plus 136.6000 dollar, Swiss 0.9444 0.9430 plus 0.16% plus 3.55% plus 0.9445 plus 0.9424 sterling, dollar 1.2185 1.2217 0.20% 9.85% plus 1.2220 plus 1.2185 dollar, Canadian 1.2788 1.2778 plus 0.09% plus 1.15% plus 1.2792 plus 1.2774 Aussie, dollar 0.7068 0.7082 0.21% 2.79% plus 0.7088 plus 0.7063 NZ 0.6390 0.6404 0.23% 6.65% plus 0.6412 plus 0.6385 dollar all spots Tokyo spots Europe spots volatilities Tokyo the Forex marketplace information from BOJ